For as long as I can remember, I've believed in building things to last. A home, a bridge, a city. These aren't just structures made of wood and concrete. They are the foundations of our lives, the places where families grow, communities connect, and futures are built. As our cities expand and our world changes, the demand for strong, safe, and sustainable buildings grows every single day. We need more homes, better roads, and smarter infrastructure to support our modern lives. The old ways of building, while they got us here, are facing new challenges that we've never seen before. We need to work smarter, not just harder, to meet these demands. The truth is, the construction industry has been a bit slow to change. We've relied on the same methods for generations, and while there's wisdom in tradition, we can't ignore the problems staring us in the face. We have a serious shortage of skilled workers, which puts immense pressure on every job site. Projects are getting more complex, timelines are getting tighter, and costs are always a concern. On top of that, we have a responsibility to our planet. We need to think about the materials we use and the waste we create. Sticking to the old ways is no longer an option. It's time to embrace a new chapter in construction. This isn't about throwing out everything we know. It's about making it right. And that means using every tool available to us. Today, on June 10th, 2025, we are standing at a turning point. Technology is offering us incredible solutions to our biggest problems. Think about it. What if we could build faster without cutting corners? What if we could make job sites so safe that accidents become a thing of the past? What if we could design buildings that are better for our health and for the environment? This isn't a dream. This is the future of construction, and it's happening right now. It's about combining our hands-on experience with groundbreaking innovation. Embracing this change is the key to building a better world for our children and grandchildren. It's about building with integrity, intelligence, and a forward-thinking mindset. When we adopt new technologies, we are not just putting up walls. We are laying the groundwork for stronger communities and a more sustainable future. This evolution ensures that the buildings we create are not only structurally sound, but are also efficient, safe, and built to stand the test of time. It's about taking our commitment to quality and pushing it to a whole new level, making sure that every project we touch is truly made right. Imagine a job site where a robot is carefully lifting and placing heavy drywall panels, saving a worker's back from strain. Or think about an AI system that constantly scans the site for safety hazards, like a tireless guardian angel. This is what the new toolbox looks like. Artificial intelligence and robotics are no longer science fiction. They are becoming essential partners on the construction site. These technologies handle the repetitive, physically demanding, and dangerous tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on what they do best: problem-solving, skilled craftsmanship, and overseeing the project. Robots can weld steel with perfect precision or carry materials across uneven ground, increasing speed and reducing the risk of human error. Another game changer is something called Building Information Modeling, or BIM, and its more advanced cousin, the digital twin. Forget about rolled-up paper blueprints that can get lost or outdated. BIM creates a detailed, three-dimensional digital model of the entire project before a single shovel hits the ground. Every pipe, every wire, and every beam is included. This allows architects, engineers, and builders to walk through the building virtually, spotting potential conflicts or problems long before they happen in the real world. A digital twin goes even further, creating a living digital copy of the finished building that is updated with real-time data, helping to manage and maintain the structure for its entire lifespan. These digital blueprints are incredibly powerful. With a BIM model, we can see exactly how everything fits together. This means fewer surprises on site, which translates to less wasted time and materials. We can run simulations to test for energy efficiency or structural integrity under different conditions. For example, the AI chatbot Dot, launched in late 2024, lets a project manager ask simple questions like, "What's the status of the plumbing on the third floor?" and get an instant, accurate answer. This level of planning and coordination was unimaginable just a decade ago. It ensures that we build it right the first time, every single time. Drones are another critical tool in this modern arsenal. They fly over the site, capturing high-resolution images and data that give us a bird's-eye view of progress. This is invaluable for surveying large areas quickly, monitoring safety compliance, and keeping track of materials. Instead of a person having to climb scaffolding to inspect a high wall, a drone can do it safely and provide a detailed report. Tools like Drone Deploy's Safety AI can even analyze these images to automatically identify potential OSHA violations, helping to prevent accidents before they occur. This technology gives us more control and more information, leading to better, safer, and more efficient projects from start to finish. One of the biggest shifts in how we build is moving a large part of the work away from the chaotic, weather-dependent job site and into a controlled factory setting. This is called prefabrication, or off-site construction. Instead of building everything piece by piece on location, we construct entire sections of a building, like wall panels, bathroom pods, or even entire rooms in a factory. These completed modules are then transported to the site and assembled like giant building blocks. This method is incredibly efficient and dramatically speeds up the construction timeline, allowing us to get projects done faster without sacrificing quality. It's a smarter way to build, plain and simple. The benefits of prefabrication are huge. In a factory environment, we have total control over the conditions. There are no delays because of rain or snow. Workers can operate in a safer, more organized space, using specialized equipment that improves precision and reduces physical strain. This leads to a higher standard of quality because every component is built to exact specifications. Platforms like Kojo Prefab now help connect the factory floor directly with the field teams, making the whole process seamless. When you build in a controlled setting, you minimize waste, you improve consistency, and you deliver a better final product. It's about building with intelligence and foresight. Alongside new methods, we are also seeing amazing innovations in the materials we use. For too long, we've relied on materials that can be harmful to the environment. Now, the focus is on sustainable and green building. This means using recycled materials, developing concrete that can absorb carbon dioxide, and creating insulation that is more effective and made from natural products. These advanced materials not only reduce our environmental footprint, but also create healthier living spaces. A well-insulated home built with non-toxic materials is better for your family's health and will save you money on energy bills for years to come. This push for sustainability is changing the industry for the better. Events like the Green Build Conference highlight how we can build net zero buildings that produce as much energy as they consume. We're seeing everything from self-healing concrete that can repair its own cracks to transparent wood that could one day replace glass. These aren't just cool ideas. They are practical solutions that help us build structures that are stronger, last longer, and work in harmony with our planet. It's our duty to build responsibly, and these new materials are giving us the tools to do just that. Making it right means making it sustainable for future generations. Technology isn't here to replace skilled workers. It's here to empower them. In an industry facing a critical labor shortage, we need to do everything we can to attract new talent and keep our experienced pros safe on the job. New tools are transforming job sites into safer environments. Robots that handle heavy lifting prevent back injuries, and drones that perform inspections at great heights eliminate the risk of falls. AI-powered safety systems constantly monitor the site, flagging unsafe conditions in real time so they can be fixed immediately. These innovations aren't just about efficiency. They are about protecting our most valuable asset, our people. Furthermore, technology is creating new opportunities for learning and skill development. Augmented and virtual reality are changing the game for training. A new apprentice can put on a VR headset and practice welding or operating heavy machinery in a completely safe, simulated environment. They can learn the right way to do things without any real-world risk. On the job site, a worker can use an AR headset to see digital instructions overlaid on the physical space, guiding them through a complex installation step by step. This helps reduce errors, boosts confidence, and helps us close the skills gap by training the next generation faster and more effectively. This technological shift makes construction a more appealing career path for young people. The job is no longer just about brute force. It's about working with cutting-edge technology, from programming robots to analyzing data from digital twins. We are creating a new kind of construction professional, one who is as comfortable with a tablet as they are with a hammer. This evolution is vital for the long-term health of our industry. By embracing these tools, we are building a workforce that is smarter, safer, and better prepared for the challenges of the future. It's about ensuring our crews have the best tools to do the best job. Ultimately, these innovations benefit everyone. For workers, it means safer jobs and new skills. For building owners, it means higher quality projects completed faster and with greater cost certainty. And for our communities, it means better, more sustainable homes, schools, and infrastructure that will serve us for generations. The future of construction is about building with a conscience, using technology to uphold our commitment to quality, integrity, and safety. By combining timeless craftsmanship with modern innovation, we can and we will build a better world. We can make it right.